Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jamie with Originality AI. Originality AI is an AI content and plagiarism detector, boasting a 99% accuracy rating for AI content detection. In today's episode, I'm just going to be running through one of our new tools, the character counter tool. A couple of extra little features in there that I'll show you how to use. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so on the screen now, you can see the URL. This is where you're going to find the character counter tool. I will obviously add a link in the description as well. So once you've headed to that URL, you're going to be greeted by this tool here. By default, it's set to 280 character limit. And as we can see here, once we go over that character limit, the excess text is going to be highlighted in red. That's a really useful and handy feature, as it means that you can really quickly and easily see how much you've gone over and what you could potentially be able to remove. The other option in here is the word limit, and you can see up here it's going to highlight the area that you've selected as well. Okay, so now moving on to the primary feature of the tool. So we're using AI to condense this text to your limit. So you get 3 of these uses a day. So if we just go ahead and condense this to 280 characters, by default, if a 280 character limit is entered, it will try and condense it into a tweet. We just kind of made that assumption that if you're aiming for 280 characters, you're probably looking to tweet. And as we can see down here, we have the condensed to tweet. If we copy that and enter it into here, we can see that it is in fact under our 280 character limit. Okay, so now we'll use a longer form article. This is just a blog post that I found on Originality AI. And we're going to do to 280 words. And we're going to try and condense it down to an email. So imagine that you have a blog post and you'd like to tell your users about it. You can condense that blog post into an email of a particular word limit, in this case 280 words. And this could take a minute, so I will skip to when it's finished. Okay, and it's finished, and we can see here that it's condensed that blog post to an email that is 280 words or less. And let's just verify that. So we can see that it has in fact gone to 277 words. Obviously, a couple of extra features. We have the sentence count and the paragraph count. That's going to stand the stuff in word and character counters. And we have other options such as we can condense to a blog post, to a title, or to a subject line. So let's try a title. And we're going to try and condense to a 10-word title. Let's say a 5-word title actually. Okay, let's see if it can do it. Hey. Okay, so there you go. It's condensed to a title that's 5 words. Top 3 plagiarism checkers reviewed. And then we can obviously very easily just copy and paste that into wherever we need it. Alright, great. So that is Originality AI's new free character counter tool. Check it out at the URL in the description. I've been Jamie with Originality AI. Take care, and I'll see you next time.